All right, guys, what we got here, we got a tree that was removed early on due to a power line right away, and power line cut it, and you see what they left me. So we're gonna see if we can't get rid of this stump and get this nuisance out of our way so we can have more room to cut hay. And this thing, I've been driving around and around it for the last 2 or 3 years cutting hay, and it gets annoying having to cut around and move around this kind of stuff in the pasture. So we're gonna see if we can get it going. I think we got her pretty much lit up now. It's a slow process, but it's a cheap process. You know, just sit there and keep kindling on it, bumping it up, folding it over onto itself, and just a little work, a little farm work, you know. It's not easy, but hey, it's cheap. And if we had to go buy excavators and stump grinders to do all this, we go broke. Here on a small farm, you got to do it cheap ways. Couple hours later, and this stump's already starting to disappear. Let me know down in the comments how you get rid of your stumps. That's the best and cheapest, fastest way I've found. You know, sometimes they don't go as quick, but if you keep that fire on them, they'll eventually disappear. But let me know in the comments how y'all get rid of yours. As you can tell, stump's all gone. Now all we gotta do is get us a little dirt with a tractor with a front bucket, spread over it. It's like it never been there. And that's how you get rid of a stump, cheap. Thank y'all for watching. As always, God bless.